So just to get started with the query builder here, what we'll do is we'll start on the left-hand side and talk a little bit about the Schema Browser. The Schema Browser is going to provide for us a list of all the tables and views in the database, and it's going to be what we drag from in order to put items onto the canvas. But there's a pretty decent chance that you might not be familiar with your database, and you might want to poke around to explore it a little bit, and the Schema Browser will allow us to do that as well. So you can either choose an existing database connection or create a new one from here. What I'm going to do is just pick my Northwind connection. And so the first thing that it's going to provide for us is a list of all the schemas in the database. So this is going to be database specific. Oracle will show you different information from MySQL and things like that. But typically what you can now do is you do some hyperlink navigation to drill down and poke around your database a little bit, just in case you don't know what's in it. So if I want to click on a table, for example, it's going to show me some sample data for the table. It's going to show me the columns in the table. It's also going to show me some primary and foreign key values that I can use to follow links between tables. So for example, this categories table is a high level grouping of the different types of products in the database. I can see that there's a relationship with the products table, so I can click on this now and see what we've got going on here. And this is just a way to help me learn a little bit about a database that I'm not too familiar with. But if I go back now to the list of tables, what I can do now is I can just begin to drag and drop tables onto the canvas. Just going to get rid of this for a second. So I can drag and drop tables onto the canvas and start to join them up. So that's all we're going to do talking about the Schema Browser. We'll talk about some other things next.